Hello, Walt Williams here with Suncoast RV Rental in Tampa, Florida. Today I'm showing you a Hurricane 35M. This is a 2019 model, and currently we have it for sale. This is privately owned that we are selling on behalf of the owner. As you can see, it's a beautiful coach. It's perfect for a couple or for a family. See, there we have a power awning, automatic outside TV, swings out so that you can access your ports in the back for plugging in your streaming device, Roku, Fire Stick, Apple, whatever you may have. Lots of storage. Most of the storage does pass through. Not all of it, but most of it does. This one does not. This one does. Also has capacity for storing the bunk, drop-down bunk, which I'll show you in a bit. More storage in the back. This one, of course, is pass-through. For 36 feet. Of course, it does require 2 air conditioners, so it does have full 50 amp service, along with an awning 5500 generator. I want you to make sure you get a good view of the outside. You can see what kind of condition it's in. It's in very good condition. Little blemishes here and there, but that's about it. So it has a brand new awning with evening moon lighting. So the swing out TV. Then as you enter, you do have your light controls there, as well as your inverter controls and battery indicators, main switch. When you come in, of course, you come into the dinette. Plenty of room to seat 4 people. Both captain and co-captain's chairs do swing out. Of course, the table does stow away for when you're driving. A little inconvenient when you're driving. Typical Ford. It's on a Ford F65 chassis. Full stereo, backup camera, which isn't on right now, but because I have the ignition turned off. A Bluetooth for your radio, your stereo streaming, as well as television. Pull-out desks, so somebody can work while you're on the road. It does have a drop-down bunk. Weight capacity is 500, so certainly heavy enough for 2 people. I would say this sleeps about 7 comfortably. The dinette does fold down. If you check our pictures, does fold down to a bed. The wraparound L-shaped sofa does open up to a bed. Please check our pictures for that. And right here you have for your evening or comfort, you do have a centrally located television that you can easily watch without creaking your neck from the lounge sofa. Full Whirlpool residential refrigerator and freezer. Microwave, 3-burner propane stovetop, oven. We have found so many people, they really strive to look for the ovens because so many coaches come without ovens. We've had a number of people reject coaches that don't have ovens. So yes, this one is equipped with a propane oven, full king-size bed, with, of course, rear TV. And this one does have a bath and a half. The full bath is in the rear. Full size shower with skylight. Lots of big clothes closet. For hanging. Lots of drawer space for those long cross-country trips. If you finally earn the right to take a long trip, and again, more storage. So this coach is ready to get out on the road, whether you got a full time or just for a long trip. And then here is the half bath, centrally located in the coach, so somebody can use the facilities without having to bother somebody who's in the back who might be taking a nap on that trip. More pantry space. Pull-out drawers. Make it convenient for you to grab those items that are nestled all the way in the back. That's it. I mean, this is a great coach. It's a fantastic coach for a couple or medium-sized family that just wants to get out and get away. Again, Walt Williams with Suncoast RV Rental. Live in the adventure with Suncoast.